Have you ever thought about the impact our meat consumption has in the world around us? Since we were children, we have been told that some of our actions, such as the means of transport we use or the electricity or water we consume, are causing the climate change. And to stop it, we have to use public transport instead of cars, reduce our water consumption, turn off the lights when we aren't using them, or recycle. But did you know that domestic water use is just 5% of the total, while the water use in cattle industry is 55%? This happens because just to produce 1 kilo of meat, 15,000 liters are needed.
Moreover, the cattle industry is responsible for the 14.5% of the emission of greenhouse effect gases, just as much as all cars, trains, ships, and planes together. Among the greenhouse gases emitted by this industry, we can find the CO2, but the most abundant is the methane, which is 86 times more damaging.
On the other hand, to produce the natural gas that is used in the United States during a whole year, which is used at home, the industry, and the transport, 400,000 million liters of water are needed, whereas to produce the meat that is consumed in the United States during the same period of time, 100 million liters of water are needed. Another reason for the industry polluting a lot is that for the cultivation of animal food, lots of fertilizers are used. These fertilizers are absorbed by the land in such a way that they pollute aquifers.
Cattle industry is also one of the biggest causes of deforestation, since a lot of land is needed to raise animals and grow the soy they need to feed them. For this reason, the 80% of the deforestation in the Amazonas is an outcome of cattle industry activity. By destroying the ecosystems, the number of endangered animals will rise exponentially. Given that Spain is the first European and the fifth country of the world that most meat consumes per person, don't you think you should reduce your meat consumption?